Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this episode, we're going to show you a very quick video how to calculate the age based on a date of birth. So basically I have a sample application here. So we wanted to know what is the age whenever we put a date of birth here. For example, let's say we're gonna put a date of birth here. It should calculate how many how is the a I mean how many years and how many months is the age. All right. So let's go to my app editor. So you can also use this to calculate the duration or the due date so you can follow the procedure. So in my app editor, I have only three columns. As you can see, this is a sample application. In my database, I have just three columns. So user will put the date of birth and then automatically it calculates the age. All right. So in order to do that, make sure date of birth, you put it as a date. Then age, you keep it as a text. So there's no need to put in a date of birth. Just just goes like that. Then here in the age, we can put a up formula. So the up formula for that here. So we're gonna apply a formula which is we're gonna calculate the age if the date of birth is not empty. So first we're gonna apply if statement, then or sorry, then yeah, it's correct. Then it's not blank. So if it's not blank, we have to choose the column. So the column that is not blank is the date of birth. So when it's not blank, then we're gonna apply an expression. If it's not blank, we're gonna use the expression called floor. So means floor meaning we're gonna remove the decimals. It's like for example, the result is 7.3. It will goes to 7. So it will uh, it will remove all the decimals. Okay. So floor here. Then we're gonna calculate first the years. How many years? So to calculate the year, we can use the hour today. So we're gonna convert the duration into year today, then minus the date of birth column, is this one. Okay, so the date of birth. Then after that, we have to divide it by in 1 year we have 365 days. So it's 365. Then I convert it into 24. Since in 1 day there is 24 hours, right? So you can convert it in 24. So now we have the calculation of the year. Then what we're gonna do next is to put a text. So we wanted to, since our column this is a text, so we wanted to put it, let's say 10 years and 5 months, goes like that. So I wanted it like, so we're gonna use this and then what we're gonna do is we can put a text here, let's say year or years, goes like that. Okay, and maybe we can add an additional end. Okay, so let's say 3 years and and 6 months for example. So we already composed the year. Then what we're gonna do next is we're gonna calculate the months. Okay, so what we're gonna do down is you can apply same formula which is floor, so to eliminate the decimals. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this time the expression called MOD. MOD means we're gonna get the remainder, since we are converting the year into months, so we will get the remainder of that. Let's say the duration is 1 year and 6 months, so we can get the point six like that. So we will get the remainder. Then what you're gonna do is, after you get that one, we're gonna use the um, hour hour today, which is we're gonna get the exact time today, hour today. Okay. Then hour today, then we're gonna minus it by date of birth column. Okay. So date of birth column, then this time we're gonna divide it by 24. So we're going to get the month's duration. So divided by 24. Okay. Then by and 365. This will be the formula. 365. Yeah, sorry, my keyboard sucked. Okay. Then next thing we're gonna do, so this first formula here, this one, is now we can get the how many months remaining in 1 year. So this is the first here. Then what we're gonna do next is we have to convert this into months. So what we're gonna do is multiply it. We have to multiply it by 12, which is in 1 year there is 12 months, right? So times 12, then divided by 365, so we can get the value of how many months. Then we have to close this. Then in this case, we're gonna put here and so we're gonna name this months, okay, months and months here should be okay. And just we have to put here, and that's all. So that's how I gonna how you get how to put a formula. Then since we're using the first one here, we have just to close it by close parenthesis. Okay. So oops, something wrong. So if it's not blank, date of birth, then floor. So we have to close the if statement. Then you can put like this. Otherwise, it's empty. Okay. So if it's not blank, the date of birth, then floor, hour today minus the date of birth divided by 365 divided by 24. Then we can get the years. Okay. Here, down here, floor MOD, meaning we have to get the remainder of remaining year, then hours today minus the column date of birth. This time we're gonna get the number of months remaining. So divided by 24 times 12 divided by 365, and that's how you're gonna do that. Okay. Then let's try to save and let's test our formula. Let's refresh. Okay. So if you are born in, let's say, what is now? August 27, 2020. So you should be equals to, so today is August 27, and you're born in, let's say, you should be 22 years old, right? So 2020, then your age is 2 years. I mean, it should be 2 years, of course. I mean, if you are, let's say, 1990, you're 32 years old now. Okay. What if you will add some months? Let's say I'm gonna change this to 09. See, you are 31 years and 11 months. Okay. So also you can use this to calculate the due date. Say if you are 1990, so sorry, 1990, so you're 32 years. Okay. So that's how you're gonna calculate the age of the person using AppSheet based on date of birth. If you learned anything in this video, please comment or like, subscribe as well to my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for watching and see you next time.